So here I have the histogram of the time I reach my office. I'm supposed to reach at 6:30, maybe plus minus 5-10 minutes, and this is what I recorded. This data was collected over 18 days. So every day I reach office, I record my time. If you look at this data, it will show that one of those 18 days I reached office at 6:15. 2 days I reached at 6:25. 7 days I reached at 6:30. So basically this shows the trend. One thing it shows is the center point, that on the average, yes, I reach somewhere around 6:30 only. But once it comes to spread, generally I can see that my spread is plus minus 15 minutes early or 15 minutes late. Within that period only I am reaching. So that's how histogram can help you in understanding the pattern. Once you know the pattern, once you know the problem, your problem could be your spread is too high. Your problem could be that you are off center. Once you know the problem, then you can look at the causes of that. And what you do for the causes, you go back to cause and effect diagram. So if you are reaching late, you draw a cause and effect diagram of that. On that cause and effect diagram, you put all the causes which are basically the reason of you reaching office not exactly at 6:30, early or late. So once you have that cause and effect diagram, you look at the different causes, then you can work towards improving the consistency. So this was tool number 3, which was histogram.